Good morning, students. Welcome you all. How are you? Come on, we'll have our warm up today. Take your hand like this and you will close your finger. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we will twist our hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Like this you have to do the warm up of your hand and your finger. ऐसे आपको अपनी उंगलियों का और अपने हाथ का एक्सरसाइज करना है. ओके, एंड व्हाट आई हैव टुडे फॉर यू, कम ऑन जॉइन मी. So students, what I have for you today? Today I have for you a magical word. Magical word. कौन कौन से magical word learn किए हमने? जब मुझसे कोई गलती हो गई है तो what I will say if I have done some mistake. So that time I will say a word sorry. Which word I will say? We will say sorry. This is one of the magical word which we can use when we have done any mistake or anything happens with you. That time you have to say a word sorry. आपको sorry बोलना है अगर आपसे कोई भी mistake हो गई हो. So you all have to learn this magical word to say sorry to anyone. किसी को भी sorry कह सकते हैं आप. Okay, like this you have to learn this magical word sorry. Yes, and other magical word which you will use when you have to request something to anyone. When you have to request something, which word you can use? A lovely magical word, please. A lovely magical word, please. जब आप किसी को भी प्लीज बोल के अगर अपनी कोई भी बात कहते हैं तो क्या होता है, उनको लगता है कि प्लीज बोल रहे हैं तो वी शुड वर्क फॉर दैट, है ना. तो फिर हमारा कोई भी काम बहुत इजीली हो जाता है जब हम कहते हैं प्लीज. अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल मैजिक वर्ड. विच वर्ड? प्लीज. सो my dear kids, you all have to learn to say please whenever you have to do some work from somewhere. Okay, so this is one of the magical word. And which is the next magical word which you can use? A very beautiful magical word, that is thank you. If someone have helped you, आपकी किसी ने भी मदद की है, that time which magical word you can use? You can use a very smiley वाला thank you. जब आप किसी को smile करके thank you बोलते हो, so that person become very happy. When you say a magical word thank you, when you use this word thank you, what happen? A person become very happy with you. वो खुश हो जाते हैं when you will use the word thank you. And which magical word I have today? A very beautiful magical word. ऐसे जादू वाला. A magical word which is excuse me. A magical word excuse me. When I have to take something from anyone, when I have to take something from anyone, or when I have to give something to anyone, we have to use the word excuse me. जैसे मुझे किसी की पेंसिल लेनी है, मेरे फ्रेंड से मुझे पेंसिल लेनी है, So which word I will use? Excuse me, can I have your pencil? Means हम उनको disturb नहीं करेंगे. First we will ask. How we will ask? We will say a very magical word, a very beautiful magical word, that is excuse me. When we have to take something, when we have to give something, when we have to ask something, we have to use a very beautiful word, that is excuse me. Like this, a magical word will help you to complete your work. These all magical words will help you to complete your work. So which are the magical words? A magical word which we have learned, that is sorry, please, thank you, and this is my lovely magical word, excuse me. So shall we have one song on this excuse me? Excuse me, I want to say something. Excuse me, I want to say you something. Excuse me, I want to tell you something. Excuse me, I want to tell you something. Excuse me, I want to give you something. Excuse me, I want to ask you something. Excuse me, I want to tell you something. Excuse me, I want to ask you something. Excuse me, I want to give you something. Excuse me, I want to take it something. Like this, a very beautiful magic word. Which word? Yes, excuse me. A very beautiful magical word. Excuse me. So all my dear kids, you have to learn all this magical word and you have to send your beautiful videos and photographs to Sarika ma'am and Vidhi ma'am. We both are waiting for your beautiful photographs and videos. Okay, bye for today. Do the practice. Bye.